Yeah, I want to talk about these Thunderbolt batteries. I got them for I think $2 a pack. I think it's a real good value, especially if you're burning through like a lot of batteries. Here's the part number right there. And you get like 24 of them for $2. They're not the greatest batteries in the world, but if you're just blowing through a lot of batteries and you need something cheap, this is the way to go. And the second thing I want to talk about is I want to show, put this to the side. This will be the second time I show one of my custom Lego trucks. This truck was built, I think it was built in 92. No, it was built in 93. It's really old. Actually, the rims used to be white. Now they're kind of faded. I didn't clean it off. I just put it back together. And I figure this is the second YouTube video I made on one of my Lego trucks. It's a day cab tractor. It's got a short hood. You can look at the back of it. Show you the front. Short hood. Open the hood up on it. Oops. Move this to the side. You gotta it's got a 12 liter of V6 turbo diesel. Now this is all my own design. Let me get a light here. Get a better view of it. There you go. Look under the hood. I painted these doors red. I should have painted the inside. But let's look at let me take this off the tripod here. The interior, 10-speed transmission. Show the frame. Here is the step catwalk, fifth wheel right here. You can see the frame. This is the light. Like if you was hooking up the lines at nighttime, you turn that light on. Exhaust. Put that there. Let's open it. I just put it back together. It was sitting in a bag for I think since '97. You can see the seats. Check out the hood. Let me show you up under it. Close the doors. Close the hood. Okay, let's flip her over. Phone's ringing. I don't care. Transmission, drive shaft, got the dual exhaust coming, running into one exhaust. differential here. Turn it back over. Boom. Got the tow hooks here, fog lights, horns, CB antenna, adjustable. Grab handles there, air tanks. Yeah, I think that'll be about it. So yeah, this is my custom built, my own design, designed back in the early 90s. This is a short nose truck. I think I'm gonna go get my other truck I first showed, and I'm gonna show you the difference in the hood. I'm gonna stop it here. Okay, I went and got my dump truck. I made a video on this one a couple of weeks ago. Now, it's been sitting on the shelf for over 25 years, and this red one's been sitting in a bag for 28 or 27 years. I just put it back together. But as you can see, just like the real trucks, yep, just here. Just like any of them, Kenworth, Peterbilt, Mack, they would use the same cab, but they have different hoods. So this is considered a short hood, and this would be considered a longer hood. I guess this would be more like a 112 BBC, and this one would be more like a 120 BBC. But as you can see, both, it's the same cab design. Just, and I still got the same. They got the same grill. Same everything. Of course, the horns are a little different, but overall, you can see, and this got a sun visor, and this one don't. But everything else is the same. You can see how much more shorter the hood is on the red truck versus the dump truck. So yeah, I'm gonna look good from the front. Move this to the side. Get another view. See how they look in the front. Start up the table long enough. Let me see, can I get him nose to nose? I'll move him there. Let's see, can I get him? Let's see him nose to nose. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see him nose to nose. Right there. See him nose to nose. And I just kind of amaze myself. I look at these and I can't believe I built these over 30 years ago.